This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loren van Korbach. An inspiring blend of comfort and style, this 3-bed 2-bath 1-level home is a perfect solution to in-town living with a spacious nearly 1/4 acre lot. Gorgeous maple engineered hardwood floors flow throughout living / dining areas. Ceramic tile in kitchen and master bathroom, shiplap wall, new furnace, and new windows. Retreat to the master bed with attached bath including a jetted tub and walk-in closet. The fully fenced and very private yard has an English garden feel with raised garden beds, a nice fire pit area, 2 garden sheds, one is 12 by 14, composite deck, a dedicated above-ground pool, with pathways in between connecting it all. Located in a wonderful quiet community and close to walking trails and 2 community parks.